Hey guys, in today's short video I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Kinzoo app account. So to do it, just open up the Kinzoo app. You have to be logged in to your account. So at the top left you can see my profile icon. And to delete your account you have to click on it. Then you will see this menu. Now you need to click on the My Profile tab, just right here, click on it. Then just scroll down to the very bottom, and here you will see the delete account function. Close your account permanently. So click on this button. So delete account, this process will permanently delete your account and your kid's profile. It's not reversible. You can turn on preserve data, allow family and friends to keep viewing messages you and your kid have sent them, or just turn off it and click on next. Of course, you need to enter your PIN code, then click on delete account. And after that, you will see this notification, account deleted. Your account and your kid's profile has been deleted. Okay? That's pretty easy. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next videos.